Hello everyone. Start off by taking a section of the hair from the top and tie a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from either side and tie it right underneath it. Repeat this process 2 or 3 more times, depending on the length of your hair. Once you reach the base of the scalp, you may normally braid the hair. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from the front and tie a rubber band on either side of the scalp. Join these two at the center. Now roll this in on itself and tighten it as much as possible. Put it aside. Now, taking part of this division of the hair, make a braid out of it and include sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp. Once you run out of sections, you may normally braid the hair. Then go to the back and make 2 more braids on either side of the central parting. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a braid at the top section of the hair. Now take the braid and include it in a braid that you are making underneath it. This will be a normal braid. Once you are done, tie a rubber band. Include it in the rest of the hair and make another braid as well. Roll up this braid once you are done and tie a decorative rubber band to it, maybe 2 or 3 more. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the top, tie another rubber band right underneath it, and then taking this division, start by braiding the hair. As you progress with the braid, take a section of the hair from the right side and keep including it into your braid. Remember, this is the right side before the central parting of the scalp. Once you reach the bottom, tie a rubber band to it. Comb a section of the hair from the front and tie a rubber band to it, making a ponytail. Make a braid out of this as well, and continue to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include sections of the hair from the right side. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the front and braid the hair normally. As you progress with the braid, include strands of sections of hair from the right side of the scalp. That is the right side of the scalp before the central parting. Once you reach the bottom of the braid, you may tie a rubber band to it. Make sure that you include all the sections of hair into this. Braid up the bottom and roll it upwards. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Then tie a bow along with a ribbon to it. Then begin braiding the hair, that is 2 portions of the ponytail along with the ribbon. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Then take a bun stick and roll it upwards as such. Once you roll it into place, adjust the hair in order to make the perfect bun. You may use a decorative rubber band or a clip. For our next hairdo, start off by tying 2 sections of the hair at the back. Pull it out and make this bow-like shape. Use a hair stick and make 2 braids on the side and roll these braids upwards into the bow. Then using a ribbon, tie a bow at the back. Thank you for watching.